morning children. We'll go for the quick recap. First we saw about the greenhouse. Then we saw about the greenhouse effect. Then gases, some greenhouse gases. What are they? Carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, ozone, etc. Then we saw about the causes of global warming, and to control the global warming we saw 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. So this is the quick recap of our previous lesson. Greenhouse effect. What is greenhouse effect? Then greenhouse gases, causes of global warming, 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and reuse. What is endangered animals? Animals that are in danger and becoming extinct from earth is known as the endangered animals. அதாவது animals earthல இருக்க animal slowly அப்படியே அழிஞ்சிட்டு வரது தான், that is what is known as endangered animals. We have many endangered animals in India. One is Bengal tiger. Next one is the owlet, forest owlet. Third one is the Gangetic river dolphin, and fourth one is gharial. First we are going to see about the Bengal tiger. Bengal tiger is the otherwise also known as Indian tiger. It is also known as Indian tiger and is our national animal, and it's considered to be the second largest tiger in the world. It is the second largest tiger in the world, children, and over 100 years these tigers, Bengal tigers, are that is coming its species are distracted because of the deforestation and hunting. Because the population of the Bengal tiger is decreasing because of deforestation and hunting. For over the 100 years, Bengal tiger's population is decreasing, and this Bengal tiger is very powerful nocturnal hunter. What's the meaning for nocturnal hunter? During night also it can able to hunt. That is what is the nocturnal hunter, and it travels miles to catch its prey. Preyna enama adoda iraya thedradhukku nightla kuda adala hunt panna mudiyum. That is what a nocturnal hunter. So Bengal tigers are totally tigers are nocturnal, and it travels miles together to find its prey. Then and it has, the Bengal tiger has sharp ears and powerful eye eyesight. It has a powerful eyesight and sharp ears. Then the reason for why these Bengal tigers are decreasing in number, due to many reasons. First one is the tigers, reason for decrease in tigers. One is tiger hunted for fun, and the next point is the bones of a tiger and are traded other parts for rare medicinal use. Okay, preparation. Second point is that, and third point is the loss of habitat. Loss of habitat, then tiger turned tiger turned into man eaters, and in turn men started killing tigers to protect themselves. So these are the reason why there is a decrease in tigers. First one, tigers are hunted for fun. Why tigers are hunted, children? Hunt for the fun. Sometimes ellarum வேட்டைக்கு போய் tigers hunt பண்ணி enjoy பண்ணுவாங்க. For that purpose it has been reduced. Because of the hunting it is reduced. Then the bones of a tiger, the bones, tigers oda bones and other parts எல்லாம் rare medicine தயாரிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்றதுனால it also been reduced. Then loss of habitat, tiger oda habitat, natural habitat நம்ம அழிக்கிறதுனால it turned into man eaters. It started eating humans. So in turn humans, what they are doing, they started killing tiger to protect themselves. These are the reason why tigers are decrease in number. Then Project Tiger. Project Tiger was started in the year 1973. What for the purpose this has been started? To ban hunting of tigers, and to conserve them, For these purpose, tiger ban hunting பண்றத ban பண்றதுக்காகவும் and to conserve them, அதை பாதுகாக்கிறதாகவும் they have started a program, Project Tiger, in the year 1973, and many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries was started, such as main thing Jim Corbett, that is in Madhya, that is in Uttarakhand. Next, Panna Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh. Then Sariska in Rajasthan. These all have started or adopted to take measures to save tiger. Take measures to save tigers. So, many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. National park, what is this? This is a protected area by the government where natural places that plants, animals are kept and people are allowed to visit. That is what is known as national park. People can go there. But wildlife sanctuary, animals are kept in a natural forest and human activities are not allowed there, especially hunting is not allowed there, children. So, like many national parks and wildlife sanctuaries was started in the place Jim Carpet in Uttarakhand and Panna Tiger Reserve in MP and Sariska Tiger Reserve in Rajasthan, and this is adopted mainly to save the tigers. Then we will go for the forest outlet. First we have completed Bengal tiger, we go for the forest outlet. Forest outlet. These forest outlets are found in the Madhya Pradesh and northwestern and north central Maharashtra. So, these forest owls can be seen in the southern part of the Madhya Pradesh and northwestern and north central parts of the Maharashtra. And this is one of the smallest owl, member of a owl family. Owl means Andai. Andai family liye idu oru smallest member of a owl family, and its size is actually, children, only 23 centimeters in length. Size is very small, that is why it is smallest, that is 23 centimeter in length. Then these owl, these smallest owls are very active during daytime when compared to the other owls that active at night time. The smallest owl is very actually owl cannot be seen during the daytime, that we all know. But this type of smallest owl, that is forest owlet, can be able to see during the morning time also, and it's only active during the morning time, children. And it is 400 in numbers, only 400 in numbers. That is why it is called as the engendered animals. And because of due to the deforestation and hunting, these animals are in risk of high becoming to extinct. That is, these are now in endangered position because of the deforestation and hunting. Nam hunting pandranalum, deforestation, cutting down of trees and plants. Because of that, it is in a extinct positions. And the government have now taken many steps to ban the hunting and tracking of this owl because they are endangered. So, they give the steps, taken the steps to protect this. The next one is the Gangetic River dolphin. Gangetic River dolphin. So, this animal has been declared as the aquatic, national aquatic animal of India. That national animal of India is a tiger. Our aquatic animals is known as the Gangetic river dolphin, and it is only seen in the fresh water. Where you can see this Gangetic river dolphin? Only in the fresh water, and it is blind. It cannot be seen. It cannot see. It is only seen in the fresh water, and it has made some ultrasonic sound. Ultrasonic sound to locate its prey. When it go for catching the its prey, adoda eraya theda pogumbodhu it make one sound, that ultrasonic sound. With that it can catch its prey. Okay children, and once it was seen more in number in the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers, but now it is endangered. Why this is endangered? Because of many reasons. One is the killing of dolphin for meat, and trading their parts. This is one reason, and next is killing of dolphin accidentally, and third point is destruction of their habitat due to the construction of dams. And fourth point, reducing their food by excessive fishing, and last one is the polluting of water with harmful chemicals. Now I will explain one by one children. What is killing of dolphin for meat? For meat, for the eating purposes we are killing them, and also for to sell their product to get money. That for that purpose also we are killing the dolphin. And next one, some accidentally when the ships are moving, accidentally it will get died. Then deforestation, because of the destruction of habitat, we are destructing their natural habitat for the many reasons, for the construction of dam. For that also it is being killed, and reducing their food because we are getting more fish for the purpose of eating. This is the food for the dolphin, so their food is affected. And last one is polluting the water. Because of pollution from chemicals, it also died. So these are the reason why these animal dolphin are now reduced in number. So thank you children. I think you have understood the concept. Thank you.